Hey, finance enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into the latest updates on the Philippine stock market and the peso. If you've been keeping an eye on the PSEi, you'll be glad to hear it bounced back, wrapping up Friday with a modest gain. The PSEi added 5.99 points, closing at 6,897.54. And the broader all-shares index climbed 9.52 points to 3,742.81. So what's driving this recovery? Bargain hunting played a big role, fueled by easing recession fears in the U.S., a drop in U.S. jobless claims, and an upward revision of Q2 GDP growth lifted investor spirits. But caution still lingers as investors await more economic signals. On the sectoral front, the property sector led the rally with a 1.89% increase. Meanwhile, the services sector saw a dip of 0.92%. Market breadth was slightly positive, with 104 stocks advancing and 88 declining. Now let's talk about the peso. It closed stronger at 56.111 against the US dollar, up from 56.283 the previous day. This uptick reflects a broader economic context where inflation is being closely watched. The Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, or BSP, projects August inflation to fall between 3.2% and 4.0%, down from July's 4.4%. Higher electricity rates and prices of agricultural commodities driven by unfavorable weather are the main upward pressures. However, lower prices in oil, rice, fish, and meat provided some relief. The BSP is committed to a measured approach to ensure price stability, a crucial concern for investors. Keep an eye out for the official inflation data from the Philippine Statistics Authority on September 5th. This will be key in shaping market movements in the coming weeks. In summary, while the PSI's slight rebound is a positive sign, the market remains cautious. Inflation dynamics and external economic factors continue to steer investor sentiment and currency stability in the Philippines. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more finance updates. Until next time, stay informed and invest wisely.